Our vision is to improve the world through the world's best transportation. And one of the
Good. Okay, you want to film it as well? Yeah. No. Perfect. Okay. So this. Yeah.
Before
Actually.
you start, who are you?
So
Tell us about
okay. So
yourself.
I'm Serge Lemmermond. I've been. I actually worked in Silicon Valley in 2014 when we built the first SQ5 with this very small team from Carnegie Mellon, Automatica they were called, and later on we acquired them. In 2015 we did first CES.
Now, once we actually get to the destination, the vehicle is going to notify the console, and then the console will notify Lyft.
Okay.
And then we'll be able to finish the ride, and that's when you get JLR, Aptiv, of course, Nutonomy, Drive AI, and Waymo.
Okay.
a vehicle is used only 4% of the time, sits on the road parked the other 96%.